Every single cell in your body operates on a strict 24-hour schedule. When you eat late at night, you are not just digesting food, you are throwing your entire biological timekeeper into complete chaos. Modern life has broken this natural rhythm. We wake up, immediately consume food, and continue grazing until we go to sleep. This constant state of digestion keeps our internal systems permanently switched on. But science is revealing a powerful countermeasure. It is called circadian fasting, or time-restricted feeding. By aligning your daily eating window with your body's natural internal clock, you can radically transform your metabolic health. To understand why this works, we first need to look at your master clock. Deep inside your brain sits the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Think of this tiny cluster of neurons as the ultimate conductor of an orchestra. This master clock does not just track time based on light entering your eyes. It relies heavily on peripheral clocks located in your liver, your gut, and your muscles. And the primary signal that synchronizes these peripheral clocks is food. When you eat your first meal of the day, you effectively ring the morning bell for your metabolic organs. They wake up, rev up their enzymes, and prepare to process fuel efficiently. Conversely, when you stop eating early in the evening, you signal to your organs that the workday is done. They can shift gears away from digestion and toward repair, maintenance, and renewal. This shift is where the magic happens. When your body is free from the constant burden of digesting food, it initiates a cellular recycling program known as autophagy. Think of autophagy as the ultimate internal cleanup crew. It hunts down broken cellular parts, misfolded proteins, and worn-out mitochondria, breaks them down, and repurposes them into fresh, high-energy components. If you never stop eating, this cleanup crew never gets called to work. The cellular garbage simply piles up, leading to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and accelerated aging. By narrowing your daily eating window to 8 or 10 hours, you give your body the necessary fasting runway to trigger this powerful repair cycle every single day. Clinical studies show that time-restricted feeding significantly improves insulin sensitivity, lowers blood pressure, and reduces visceral fat, all without requiring strict calorie counting. How do you know if your protocol is actually slowing down your rate of aging? You need precise data to track your internal progress over time. This is where the TruDiagnostic test becomes essential. The TruDiagnostic test measures your biological age and tracks your precise rate of aging using the advanced Dunedin-Pace algorithm, giving you a clear window into how your lifestyle changes are impacting your longevity at the DNA level. Implementing this protocol is straightforward. Start by finishing your last meal at least 3 hours before you go to sleep. Then, push your first meal back slightly to create a clean 10 or 12-hour eating window. Over time, as your body adapts, you can gently compress that window down to 8 hours, matching your eating schedule to the peak activity hours of your metabolic organs. When you synchronize your food intake with your circadian biology, you unlock a sustainable pathway to deeper cellular repair, better metabolic health, and an extended health span. Now that you understand how to optimize your eating window for cellular repair, you need to discover how mitochondrial function dictates your daily energy and long-term lifespan. Click on the video showing on your screen right now to master your cellular powerhouses.